Biryani rice is one of those dishes that feels magical, like you're eating a celebration in a bowl. But let me tell you, the process of getting it right can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Let's break it down. The foundation of great biryani rice starts with the rice itself, specifically long-grain basmati rice. You don't want to grab just any rice off the shelf because the texture and aroma matter. Pro tip: soak the rice for 30 minutes before cooking to reduce cooking time and keep the grains fluffy. Here's the kind of pain point no one talks about: soggy rice. It's the villain of biryani. To avoid this, cook the rice 70% of the way in salted boiling water. Think of it like you're cooking pasta. Al dente is the goal here. Drain it and set it aside. Next, it's all about the spices. This is where the flavor magic happens. You'll need whole spices like bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, and cloves. Toast them lightly in ghee or oil to make your kitchen smell like a dream. What confuses a lot of people is layering. Biryani rice isn't just dumped together in a pot, it's an art form. Start with a base layer of cooked rice, add your protein or vegetables, sprinkle fried onions, then repeat. It's like making lasagna, but Indian style. Now, your protein or veggies need to work overtime to bring flavor. Marinate chicken, paneer, or even tofu in yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and spices like turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Don't skip this step unless you enjoy regret. The cooking technique is another pain point. You'll steam everything together in a heavy-bottomed pot. Cover the lid tightly and cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. This lets the flavors mingle like they're at a VIP dinner party. Here's where most people mess up: the saffron milk. It's optional, but not really. Soak a pinch of saffron strands in warm milk and drizzle it over the top layer before steaming. It adds color, flavor, and elegance. You're basically elevating your dish from a solid 8 to a 10. Fried onions are non-negotiable for biryani rice. Slice them thin, fry them crispy, and scatter them like confetti over the layers. They're the crunchy, sweet contrast that makes every bite satisfying. When it's ready, don't go straight in with a spoon like a maniac. Fluff the rice gently with a fork to keep that layered texture intact. It's a little extra work, but trust me, it's worth it. Serve it with raita, which is just yogurt tinted with cucumber, mint, and a dash of salt. It's the creamy, cooling sidekick that offsets the rich, spiced rice. If you can't make raita, a squeeze of lemon works in a pinch. If you follow this, congratulations. You've just made biryani rice, not the sad mystery dish most people try to pass off. Be warned, this might ruin takeout biryani for you forever. But hey, those are problems worth having, right?